All right, guys, we're looking at composite reflections over two parallel lines. So we're going to use colored pencils to do this. First, we're going to reflect ABC over x equals -3. Line and label the points A, B, C, respectively, and draw ABC using a colored pencil. Okay, so first we're going to be using a black pencil, and then we'll reflect it over that. You can use different colors if you choose. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at x equals -3. So I'm going to go to the x-axis, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3. This is my line right here. I'm reflecting over x equals -3 first. And I'm going to use a colored pencil. Don't worry about what the color is. You can use whatever color you want. But I'm going to reflect it over this line. So see how B is 1 point to the right? I'm going to move it 1 point to the left. That's my new B. A is 2 to the left, so I'm going to move A 2 to the right. That's my new A. And I'm going to move C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the other side. That's my new C. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to reflect over x equals 2. So 1, 2. This is x equals 2 right here. Okay? I'm going to use a different colored pencil, and I'm not reflecting my original. I'm reflecting the orange triangle over the yellow line. Is everybody okay with that part? Okay. So A is 1, 2, 3 away from the yellow line. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. There is a double prime, we call it, or double image. I don't think so. I grabbed this out of the pile, so everybody should have the same. Bring me your paper. B is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you say your C is like over 3, right? No. We have the same. We have the same. Okay, so hold on. Shh. A is 2 away, A is 2 away, A is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. B is too close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my B is supposed to be over here. Okay, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 away. So I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 away. There's my new C. And so this is my new triangle right here. Okay. The composite reflection you just did, reflecting over x equals 2 and x equals -3. What type of transformation occurred that would map ABC onto A double prime, B double prime, C double prime? So how would I get from here, this B, all the way to this B over here? How would I get from this A here to this A here? How would I get from this C here to this C here? What happened? Did I reflect, rotate, translate, dilate? What happened? From my original to the green. Translation, right? How much did I translate it by? Okay, how far did ABC move to become? It moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does 10 sound right? It moved 10 units to the, which direction? Right, left, up, down? Right. Okay, so we're going to write this in a symbolic, For number 2, you're going to write this in a symbolic form. I moved 10, this says translation. I don't know what happened to my spelling. Translation. Does that look like an actual word this time?
Yeah.
Okay, the other one did not, sorry. Braylon? Okay, because I talked about this with the last packet too. It's kind of like parentheses. So you can think of it more like this. If we have x equals -3 reflection, and then afterwards we reflect x equals 2. So you do that little 0 dot that looks kind of like a degree symbol, really is kind of like working like parentheses. So that's why you do the inside first and then the outside. So that's why you do the second one and then that. That's really, really important because you're going to see that on your quiz and you have to know which one to do first and second. So that is a really good point. This is the first thing we do. This is the second thing because it's going to ask you later on. Okay, so we're going to say what happened to all of our x values. What happened to each of them to go from the black to the green? They went to the right, how much? 10. And went right, is that adding or subtracting to the x's? Adding, 10. Did anything change with the y's?
No.
No, so it stayed the same. So see how that looks like that? That's the whole point. Okay, so this packet is not difficult, but it is tedious. There's a lot, you have to keep going. So you're going to do a similar thing for number 3. Number 4, the only difference is you're talking about y's. Oh, you're still talking about x's, never mind. It isn't until later that we talk about that. Then for 9, we talk about doing it with y values, 9 and 10, 9 and 11. Okay, so this whole packet is going to be due on Monday. We're going to try to finish it in class today and tomorrow. And then your homework for tonight is pretty self-explanatory on problem solving. You're just going to write the equation and the solution. It's just remembering that sum means add, times is multiply, product is multiply, difference is subtract, quotient is divide. Otherwise, you should have this. Should not be a problem. Okay? All right, you have the rest of the outer work?